Stem cells have been around since the 1980s. It's just been recently that patients have had the opportunity to be treated with them. The beautiful thing is this is an alternative to surgery. In the past, we didn't always have that option. We had to send patients for surgery, but now we don't always have to. One of the first benefits a patient gets is that anti-inflammatory response, which helps get rid of pain, swelling, inflammation. It starts the healing process. Specific patients are screened carefully in our facility as to whether or not they're a true candidate for the procedure. And it's the same day. They walk in, they have the procedure done. We give them rehabilitation instructions that they follow. Most patients see a positive effect within 4 weeks up to 8 weeks. The nice thing, once again, is this is an alternative to surgery, and the patient's able to get their life back in a timely manner.